The job market is evolving at lightning speed, and the skills that got you hired yesterday might not cut it tomorrow. Automation, AI, and digital transformation are reshaping industries, creating new opportunities while phasing out old roles. To thrive in this dynamic landscape, you need skills that are not just in demand today but will remain relevant in the future. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone looking to switch their career, mastering high income skills can open doors to lucrative opportunities and job security. From AI and cybersecurity to digital marketing and UI UX design, these skills are your ticket to a successful and fulfilling career in 2025 and beyond. So, are you ready to future proof your career? Let's get started. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming industries globally, and India is riding this wave of innovation. By 2025, the Indian AI market is expected to reach $7.8 billion, creating a surge in demand for professionals across healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and automation. AI experts develop smart algorithms, automate processes, and provide data-driven insights to enhance decision-making. Roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, and AI consultant are not only highly rewarding but also offer salaries ranging from 12 lakhs per annum to 50 lakhs per annum, depending on experience. Even if you're not from a tech background, AI tools can be integrated into fields like marketing, business analytics, and finances to boost efficiency and strategy. To dive into AI, start by learning programming languages like Python and R, which are essential for building AI models. Familiarize yourself with tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, which are widely used in the industry. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer excellent courses to help you build a strong foundation. Work on real-world projects and showcase your skills by creating a portfolio in GitHub. Whether you are analyzing data, automating tasks, or developing intelligent systems, AI offers endless opportunities to innovate and grow. With AI becoming integral to industries, mastering this skill now will give you a competitive edge in 2025 and beyond. Whether you are a techie or not, AI is a future-proof skill that promises growth, creativity, and high earning potential. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking. As India accelerates its digital transformation, cybersecurity has become more critical than ever. With the widespread adoption of UPI, digital banking, and global services, the risk of cyber attacks has surged by 300% in the last 5 years. Businesses, banks, and government institutions are actively seeking skilled professionals to protect sensitive data, prevent hacking, and ensure data privacy. Ethical hackers who proactively test security systems for vulnerabilities are especially in demand. Salaries for cybersecurity professionals range from 10 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum, with experienced ethical hackers earning even more through specialized roles and freelance opportunities. To begin your journey, focus on learning the fundamentals of network security, penetration testing, and cryptography. Certifications like CEH, CISSP, or CompTIA Security Plus can significantly boost your credibility. Gain hands-on experience by participating in bug bounty programs on platforms like HackerOne and Bugcrowd, where you can test your skills in real-world scenarios. Explore tutorials and courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and EC Council to build your knowledge. Staying updated with the latest cybersecurity trends and tools is essential, as cyber threats are constantly evolving. With the increasing reliance on digital systems, cybersecurity offers long-term job security, high earning potential, and opportunities to work with global organizations. Whether you are protecting your sensitive data or preventing cyber attacks, this skill is a must-learn for 2025 and beyond. Digital marketing and SEO. India's digital economy is experiencing unprecedented growth with over 900 million internet users expected by 2025. As businesses from startups to large corporations shift their operations online, the demand for skilled digital marketing experts has skyrocketed. Among the most lucrative areas is search engine optimization, which helps businesses rank higher on Google and drive organic traffic. SEO professionals can earn between 50,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees per month, while experienced digital marketers specializing in social media marketing, paid ads, and content strategy can make 20 to 40 lakhs per annum. Freelancers in this field also enjoy flexibility and the potential to work with global clients. To get started, take advantage of free resources like Google's Digital Garage and HubSpot's digital marketing courses. Learn the fundamentals of SEO, paid advertising, and content marketing to understand how to attract and engage audiences. Gain practical experience by working on freelance projects, internships, or even managing your own blog or social media accounts. Building an online presence and showcasing results-driven strategies can help you stand out to potential employers or clients. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning also offer comprehensive courses to deepen your expertise. With businesses increasingly relying on online marketing, digital marketing offers high income potential, job flexibility, and opportunities to work with diverse industries. Whether you are freelancing or working in a corporate role, this skill is a gateway to a dynamic and rewarding career in 2025. Software development, full stack, and blockchain. India's software development industry is thriving, growing at an impressive 20% annually thanks to the rise of cloud-based applications, fintech solutions, and automation. Full-stack developers who are skilled in both front-end and back-end development are especially in demand as they can handle entire projects independently. Blockchain developers are also gaining prominence as India adopts blockchain technology for financial transactions, supply chain management, and smart contracts. Salaries for full-stack developers range from 8 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum, while blockchain developers can earn between 12 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum, with experienced professionals commanding even higher pay. To begin, learn programming languages like JavaScript and Python, which are essential for full-stack development. For blockchain, dive into Solidity, the programming language used for Ethereum-based applications. Master databases like MongoDB and PostgreSQL and frameworks like Express.js and Django. Free resources like FreeCodeCamp and Odin Project and Coursera offer excellent courses to help you build your skills. Work on real-world projects and contribute to open-source platforms like GitHub to showcase your expertise. Whether you are building web applications or developing blockchain solutions, hands-on experience is key. With the rise of AI, Web3, and digital payments, software development is a future-proof skill that ensures job security, high earning potential, and opportunities to work on cutting-edge technologies. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upskill, this field promises a rewarding career in 2025 and beyond. Cloud computing and DevOps. Cloud computing has become the backbone of modern technology, enabling businesses to scale efficiently without the need for expensive physical infrastructure. As more companies migrate to cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, the demand for skilled cloud engineers and DevOps professionals is skyrocketing. India's cloud market is projected to reach $14 billion by 2025, creating a wealth of opportunities for those with the right expertise. Roles like cloud architect, cloud engineer, and DevOps engineer offer salaries ranging from 12 lakhs per annum to 40 lakhs per annum, with senior professionals earning even more. DevOps professionals in particular play a critical role in automating software development, testing, and deployment processes using tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins, making IT operations faster and more efficient. To get started, learn the fundamentals of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Familiarize yourself with DevOps tools such as Jenkins, Kubernetes, and Terraform, which are essential for automating workflows. Earning certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Google Cloud Professional Engineer, or Microsoft Azure Fundamentals can significantly boost your credibility. Gain hands-on experience by working on cloud deployment projects or contributing to open source initiatives. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and A Cloud Guru offer excellent courses to help you build your skills. With businesses increasingly adopting cloud-based solutions, cloud computing and DevOps offer job security, high earning potential, and opportunities to work with global organizations. Whether you are just starting out or looking to upskill, this field promises a rewarding and future-proof career in 2025. UI UX design. With businesses rapidly transitioning to digital platforms, creating seamless and engaging user experience has become a top priority. UI/UX designers play a crucial role in ensuring that websites and apps are not only visually appealing but also intuitive and user-friendly. A well-designed interface can increase customer retention by up to 200%, making UI/UX designers indispensable in today's tech-driven world. Whether it's an e-commerce platform, a banking app, or an edtech website, companies are willing to invest heavily in design to attract and retain users. In India, UI/UX designers earn between 8 lakhs per annum to 25 lakhs per annum in corporate roles, while freelancers can charge 3,000 to 10,000 rupees per project. Experienced designers who specialize in user research, wireframing, and prototyping can command even higher fees, especially if they work with high-profile clients or global companies. Begin by mastering design tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch, which are widely used in the industry. Take online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or the Interaction Design Foundation to learn the fundamentals of user research, wireframing, and usability testing. Build a strong portfolio by redesigning popular websites or working on real client projects. Stay updated with the latest design trends, accessibility guidelines, and emerging technologies like AR/VR to stay ahead of the curve. Networking with other designers and participating in design challenges can also help you gain visibility. With the digital economy expanding, UI/UX design offers not only high-paying jobs but also flexible freelance opportunities, making it a rewarding career choice for 2025 and beyond. Video editing and content creation. Video content is dominating the digital landscape, with platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok driving unprecedented engagement. Businesses, influencers, and content creators are constantly seeking skilled video editors to produce high-quality, engaging content that captures audience retention. From promotional videos and social media ads to vlogs and short-form reels, the demand for professional video editing is skyrocketing. In India, video editors can earn between 5,000 to 50,000 rupees per project, depending on the complexity and scope of the work. Full-time editors working with media companies or production houses typically earn between 6 lakhs per annum to 20 lakhs per annum, while experienced freelancers collaborating with high-profile brands or influencers can charge premium rates, sometimes earning even 1 lakh rupee or more per month. Begin by learning industry standard tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and After Effects, which are essential for professional video editing. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer comprehensive courses on video editing, motion graphics, and color grading. Start practicing by editing YouTube videos, short reels, or even personal projects to build a portfolio. Offer your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Behance to gain real-world experience and client feedback. Specializing in niche areas like motion graphics, 3D animation, or advanced color correction can help you stand out and command higher rates. As digital content consumption continues to grow, video editing offers not only lucrative freelance opportunities but also stable job roles in media, advertising, and entertainment industries. With creativity and technical skills, you can turn this high-demand skill into a rewarding career in 2025. Data science and analytics. Data science is revolutionizing industries, and companies are increasingly relying on data-driven decisions to optimize operations, predict trends, and personalize customer experiences. From e-commerce and healthcare to finance and marketing, data science is at the heart of innovation. India's data science market is growing at an impressive 35%, creating a high demand for skilled data analysts and scientists. Data analysts typically earn between 7 to 15 lakhs per annum, while experienced data scientists with expertise in machine learning, big data, and AI-driven analytics can earn 20 to 50 lakhs per annum or more. Freelance data scientists also have ample opportunities as startups and MNCs often hire them for specialized projects. To begin your journey, learn programming languages like Python, R, and SQL, which are essential for data analysis and manipulation. Gain expertise in data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio to present insights effectively. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and institutions like IIT Madras and IIMs offer excellent courses to build your foundation. Work on real-world projects using platforms like Kaggle and GitHub to apply your skills and build a strong portfolio. Certifications like Google Data Analytics or IBM Data Science can also add credibility to your profile. With the rise of AI and automation, data science is a future-proof skill that offers job security, high earning potential, and opportunities to work across industries. Whether you are analyzing customer behavior or building predictive models, data science is a rewarding field to explore. Sales and high ticket closing. Sales is a skill that never goes out of style, and in India's rapidly growing consumer market, it's more valuable than ever. Whether it's selling software, real estate, automobiles, or financial services, businesses rely on skilled sales professionals to drive revenue and close deals. High ticket closers who specialize in selling premium products and services like luxury properties, high end consulting, or SaaS solutions can earn anywhere from 1 lakh to 5 lakh rupees per deal. Corporate sales roles, especially in B2B sectors, offer salaries ranging from 12 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum, with experienced professionals earning even more through commissions and bonuses. To excel in sales, start by mastering persuasion techniques, negotiation tactics, and understanding human psychology. Books like The Psychology of Selling by Brian Tracy and Influence by Robert Cialdini are great resources. You can also take online courses from experts like Grant Cardone or Dan Lok to refine your skills. Gain practical experience by working in B2B sales, real estate, fintech, or premium coaching programs. Building strong communication skills, learning to handle objections, and developing a knack for closing deals are key to success. Networking with industry professionals and exploring freelance or commission-based sales can also open doors. With India's booming startup ecosystem and businesses investing heavily in client acquisition, sales professionals who can build relationships and close high-value deals will always be in demand. Whether you are working in a corporate role or freelancing, sales offers flexibility, high earning potential, and endless opportunities for growth. Financial planning and wealth management. As India's middle class expands and disposable incomes rise, more people are seeking expert guidance to manage their finances effectively. Financial planning has become a highly sought after skill, with individuals and businesses looking for professionals who can help them make informed decisions about investments, tax optimization, retirement planning, and wealth protection. Certified financial planners typically earn between 8 lakhs per annum to 20 lakhs per annum, while independent advisors managing high net worth clients can earn significantly more through commission based fees. To begin, consider getting certified through programs like Certified Financial Planner, Chartered Financial Analyst, or NISM, which is National Institute of Securities Markets. These certifications will help you build credibility and expertise in areas like mutual funds, stock trading, tax planning, and risk management. Start by managing your own investments or helping family and friends to gain practical expertise. As you grow, you can expand your services to include financial coaching, portfolio management, or retirement planning. Building a personal brand through platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, or a finance blog can also help attract clients and establish your reputation. With India's increasing financial literacy and focus on wealth creation, financial planning is a recession-proof skill that offers job stability, freelancing potential, and entrepreneurial opportunities. Whether you are working independently or with a firm, this field promises a rewarding career. Technical writing. In today's tech-driven world, clear and concise communication is more important than ever, and that's where technical writers come in. Technical writers create documentation for software products, research papers, and even user manuals, ensuring that complex information is key to understand for end users. With India's rapid digital transformation, the demand for skilled technical writers is on the rise. In India, technical writers earn between 8 lakhs per annum to 20 lakhs per annum in corporate sales, while freelancers can charge 2 to 5 rupees per word or 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per project, depending on their expertise. Writers specializing in niche areas like cybersecurity, AI, or blockchain can command even higher rates. To get started, focus on improving your writing skills through courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Google's technical writing program. Learn to use tools like Markdown, Madcap, Flare, and Data XML, which are commonly used in industry. Building a strong portfolio is key. Start by creating sample technical guides, rewriting existing documentation, or contributing to open source projects on GitHub. Specializing in areas like software development, APIs, or cybersecurity can make you stand out in the field. Networking with professionals in the tech industry and staying updated with the latest trends can also help you land better opportunities. With businesses increasingly relying on digital solutions, technical writing is a stable and high income skill that offers both job security and freelancing potential. Whether you are working with IT firms, SaaS companies, or global organizations, technical writing is a rewarding career choice. App development. With over 1 million smartphone users in India, mobile app development has become one of the most lucrative and in-demand skills. From e-commerce and fintech to healthcare and gaming, businesses are investing heavily in mobile apps to engage their audiences and stay competitive. Skilled app developers are at the forefront of this digital revolution, creating user-friendly and innovative applications. In India, app developers earn between 12 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum in corporate roles, while freelancers can charge anywhere from 50,000 to 5 lakh rupees per project, depending on the complexity and scope of the app. Developers who create their own apps can also learn through app monetization, in-app purchases, and ad revenue. To begin your journey, learn programming languages like Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS. If you're interested in cross-platform development, master frameworks like Flutter or React Native, which allow you to build apps for both iOS and Android simultaneously. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Google's Android Developer Program offer excellent courses to help you get started. Once you have built your skills, create and publish simple apps on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store to showcase your work. Taking on freelance projects through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTel can also help you gain real-world experience and build a strong portfolio. With India's digital economy expanding and 5G adoption on the rise, app development offers stable career prospects, high income potential, and opportunities to work with startups, MNCs, or even launch your own apps. It's a skill that promises growth and innovation in 2025 and beyond. Foreign language translation. As businesses expand globally and international trade grows, the demand for skilled foreign language translators is on the rise. Whether it's translating legal documents, making materials, software interfaces, or even subtitles for movies and TV shows, translators play a vital role in bridging communication gaps. In India, freelance translators can earn anywhere from 500 to 5,000 rupees per page, while corporate translators typically make between 6 lakhs per annum to 20 lakhs per annum. Specializing in high-demand languages like Mandarin, German, Spanish, French, or Japanese can significantly boost your earning potential. Additionally, the entertainment industry, particularly with the global popularity of Indian movies and web series, offers lucrative opportunities for subtitling and voiceover translation. To get started, begin learning a foreign language using platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, or professional certification programs offered by institutions like JNU, Alliance Francaise, or the Japanese Language Proficiency Test. Gain practical experience by translating documents, articles, or subtitle for YouTube channels or small projects. Freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Prosy.com are great places to find translation gigs and build your portfolio. Specializing in niche areas like legal, technical, or medical translation can help you stand out and command higher rates. With India's global trade expanding and digital content consumption growing, foreign language translation is a profitable and in-demand skill. Whether you are working as a freelancer or in the corporate role, this skill offers flexibility, global opportunities, and a chance to connect cultures in 2025 and beyond. Business consulting. India's startup ecosystem is thriving and small businesses are emerging at an unprecedented rate. This growth has created a high demand for skilled business consultants who can help companies navigate challenges, optimize operations, and scale efficiently. Whether it's crafting growth strategies, improving branding, or streamlining financial planning, business consultants play a crucial role in driving success. In India, experienced consultants earn between 15 lakhs to 50 lakhs per annum, while independent consultants can can charge between 2,000 to 10,000 rupees per hour depending on their experience and niche. Specializing in high growth industries like fintech, e-commerce, SaaS, or manufacturing can further enhance your earning potential. To begin, gain expertise in business operations, marketing, or finance by working in startups or corporate roles. Develop expertise in a specific niche such as digital marketing, supply chain management, or business automation. Consider taking courses from reputable platforms like Harvard Business School Online, Coursera, or IIM executive programs to build your knowledge and credibility. Start by offering consulting services to small businesses or startups and gradually scale to larger clients as you build your reputation. Networking with industry professionals and creating case studies or thought leadership content on platforms like LinkedIn can also help attract clients. With India's rapidly evolving business landscape, consulting offers flexibility, high earnings, and the opportunity to work with diverse industries. Whether you are an independent consultant or a part of a firm, this skill promises a rewarding and impactful career. Copywriting and persuasive writing. In today's digital-first economy, words have the power to sell, and businesses are increasingly relying on skilled copywriters to craft compelling messages that attract and convert customers. From advertisements and social media captions to website content and sales emails, copywriting plays a pivotal role in marketing. In India, copywriters earn between 10 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum, while freelancers can charge 5 to 50 rupees per word or 5,000 to 50,000 rupees per project depending on their expertise and the scope of work. Writers who specialize in direct response copywriting, sales funnels, or email marketing often command even higher fees. Additionally, with the rise of AI-assisted tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, blending creativity with technology has become essential for modern copywriters. To get started, read foundational books like The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert Bly and Influence by Robert Cialdini to understand persuasion techniques and consumer psychology. Learn the basics of SEO and digital marketing to ensure your copy ranks well on search engines and resonates with target audiences. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are great places to find freelance projects and build a portfolio. Specializing in niches like finance, SaaS, or luxury brands can help you stand out and attract higher paying clients. With India's digital economy booming, copywriting is a highly profitable and in-demand skill. Whether you are working with startups, established brands, or building your own freelance business, persuasive writing offers endless opportunities for growth and creativity. The job market is evolving faster than ever, and staying ahead requires adapting to the skills that are in demand today and will remain relevant tomorrow. Whether you are drawn to the tech-driven world of AI and cybersecurity, the creative realms of UI/UX design and video editing, or the strategic fields of business consulting and financial planning, there's a high-income skill waiting for you to master. These skills not only offer lucrative earning potential, but also provide flexibility, job security, and opportunities to work on exciting, impactful projects. The best part, many of these skills can be learned online at your own pace and often without needing a formal degree. By investing time in upskilling now, you can position yourself for success in the future. The future belongs to those who are prepared to embrace change, learn continuously, and adapt to new challenges. Thank you for taking the time to explore these high-income skills. Whether you are just starting your career, looking to switch fields, or aiming to level up, there's never been a better time to take charge of your professional journey. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and the first step is always the most difficult. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep growing.